Debulina. And I just want to say, Varsha, these are absolutely amazing offers.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. This is Debulina M. Debulina Mukherjee, you're here. Sent you a request.
Yeah, hello. Am I audible?
Hi.
Yes,
Hi,
very much
Debulina
so.
Mukherjee. Hi, Debulina.
Yeah, Debolina Mukherjee.
Go
Hi.
ahead,
So-
ask. You had a job-related question.
Yeah, actually, I'm trying to get a job for past 11 months and I'm still struggling actually. The opportunity is not that opportunities are coming and very good opportunities I'm getting. But suddenly after a while it disappears. I don't know why. And I'm just looking forward to get a job. I don't know how many time it's gonna take.
When are you getting a job is your question, right?
Yes.
Let's see what is the energy around that. Okay. Debulina Mukherjee. Okay. Okay. Yes, you will have to be a little, a little financially constrained till February. March and April sees an opportunity coming up. It just comes in. Because of wherever you would have applied anywhere, there is something which is everywhere there is somebody who dislikes the way you present yourself, or maybe there is always somebody who in every place wherein somebody is blocking, that energy is there. Okay, it's a dislike basically from your aura or energy. Normally people have this thing, so that is why wherein you are facing this whole issue. We can't help with that. It's just that we can be just as polite as possible. There can be some karmic thing, of course, with these people. You can do some, I don't know what kind of meditation do you do? Any meditation for protection or something? What do you do?
I have got initiated from the tantric ritual because I'm belonging from a Bengali community, Brahmin community. You know that the tantric.
Okay. I'm hearing left leg. What is left leg thing? Or else it is you have to put your left.
I have a problem in my right ankle,
right angles. Oh yeah. So I was saying that put your left leg first when you enter the interview room or that office. Make a conscious effort.
Okay.
Just stop at the doorstep or the gate and put your left leg first. Okay. And then enter. And this whole thing will only materialize in March and April. They will come, they will take your interview, and I think in April you will have, and the money will be amazing. It will compensate.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Debulina. I will request you to, and you have done that. Okay, Pallavi, are you here? Oh, you're here. I can see you smiling. There you are.
Hi, Pallavi. I can't see.
Hi.
Yeah. So she has a very philosophical question about. She wants to know about her journey. Go ahead, Pallavi.
Yeah, Pallavi.
Yeah. So I just wanted to know what are the few months or then ahead of my life, what are the new things, what are the journey towards what they want to guide me accordingly. I just wanted to know what is coming up with the future for me. Any guidance or any what we can say, any message for me in person, something like that.
Pallavi. Pallavi, can you just take your name 3 times, please?
Yes. The full name you want me to say?
Yeah.
Yeah. Pallavi Moreshwar Chandorkar. Pallavi Moreshwar Chandorkar. Pallavi Moreshwar Chandorkar.
There's a big faith problem. I mean, I don't know whether you really trust yourself. No, and there is, just check once. There is either you compare or you like. check yourself is something that I'm hearing. So that is why I interpreted as like whether you compare yourself or whether you don't love yourself or you don't trust yourself. One of these three issues is definitely blocking something at your navel. Okay. So your question was, how is the coming times going to be for you, right? Huh? Pallavi. Oh. Pallavi, are you thinking of some travel plans or something? Or shifting, something like that? Have you considered that? A movement from one, it can be any movement from one city to the other city, one place to the other place, one house to the other house. There is something that you have to leave and you have to go and make some long-term planning. Since you're asking a very open-ended question,
Yeah.
Look, you are actually betraying yourself, Pallavi. I can't see you.
Yeah, it is.
So yeah, I think you're betraying yourself. So this is something that I'm listening. That is why I said that, you have to trust yourself. You need to have, what is the thing that you're not being true to yourself? I'm sorry. I mean, this is what is coming up. So you need to really sit with yourself to find out what is it that you don't trust or like, or where do you compare yourself, and where are you betraying yourself? Is it an internal talks that you do? What kind of a talks are you doing? Is very important for you. Next 6 months, we'll see. In the next 6 months, you're being advised to be vocal first. Okay.
Yeah.
Second thing, to make that great shift in your life through long-term planning. So plan your 6 to 7 years in advance.
Okay.
In whichever field you are into, there is a shift that you have to make. There is something that whether it is an internal shift or something, because if you told, your question would have been a little more, since it is an open-ended thing, that is why that shift is something that I'm saying, that there has to be a shift either in the physical realm or internally. And that has to do with, this betrayal that you're doing with your own self. So think a little more closely on these things,
Okay.
and plan your life ahead. These 7 months are offering you great time portal, which is opening for you, wherein you will have all the help from the divine and the invisible support to plan your life. Okay. So nothing, and be vocal. Don't stop yourself. Don't stop yourself from, saying yes when it is a yes, saying no when it is a no. That's very important. So vocalize, And in case you're looking for a business, something, you'll do amazing. Money-wise also. Just planning that betrayal thing and all that, just listen to this whole thing again, and you will get to know what exactly you have to make those changes.
Okay. Can I ask again on it, or something else we can combine with it? Regarding the business, as you have already told, I'm in a business.
Yeah.
And
Pallavi, sorry to come in, darling. You can pick up the session offer with Varsha to get to know more about this.
So much.
Thank you. Thanks. I'll request you to please mute yourself.
Thank you so much.
Annie, are you here? I'm sending a request. And Archana Chawla, are you here as Archana's iPhone? If yes, just get on video right now. Annie, I've sent a request to unmute. Okay, I'm not receiving a response there, but I can see Pritika.
If you are saying, anyways, I need to. She can see the recordings. Okay, whatever she's holding on to at this point of time, it can be. I think she's holding on to I, me, myself or something. She needs to give up on that.
Okay. Do you want me to just repeat her question to you?
I don't know. I mean, I did not hear your question, but on her name, right. This is what, and internet plays a very important role for her next growth in life.
Okay,
it can be an internet online course.
Okay, we'll leave it at that for Annie. We did send the option. Reminding Archana Chawla, if you're here as Archana's iPhone, I need you to come on video and raise your hand up. Only Archana Chawla. Pritika is here, and we're down to literally the almost at close. Archana, keep your hand raised and leave it at that. Archana, again, Pritika has again a question, I think, about her spiritual journey, right?
That's
Go
right.
ahead.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi, Nilu, and hi, Varsha. I've been
Hi.
loving your session. Thank you for this.
Thank you.
So my question is pretty straightforward. I've been working on my inner self because I do understand that that's how I create my outer world. How far am I on this journey, and do you have any guidance for me? Straightforward.
Take your name once again.
Pritika Kannan.
You can keep down your speaker.
Yeah. Is it better now?
Yeah, no, not for that. I just want to see something on your. Okay. Do you want people to understand? See, what happens is, I can resonate with what you're saying, at times we understand complex things, okay, because we are doing some spiritual journey or something. What next you have to do is that being told in the simple words to the people so that they can resonate. So if it's like, if you have learned something about karma, supposedly you've learned something about karma or dharma, you need to explain it. You might have done graduation in that, but if you have to explain it to somebody who is in class 1, you'll put that into this person's understanding so that this person can understand karma or dharma, whatever you're talking to this person.
Okay.
Right? So that is something wherein you expect people to understand. It is something that you have to really work on that, because it is, I find that people are not able to understand you. So when you're doing that inner work, when you change, your environment also changes. But what is happening is something in you is definitely not changing because of some, you're simply holding on to something. You're simply rejecting, this is me.
Yes,
Yeah?
I agree, and I don't know what that is. So that's where I'm trying to go.
So that is wherein this whole, because I'm reading your voice is very amazingly clear. It's like you can actually heal people through your voice. But what is happening is when you talk, people are like, she's saying something, I understand, but what is she saying? I can't interpret it. So you are not talking in their language.
Type.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Exactly. So that is something, because you'll have to work on that. That rigidity is something that I'm seeing. And if inner work you're doing, rigidity should not be there.
Okay. So do you have any one solution for me? I don't want to take up much of your time. Anything simple I could do to get over the rigidity?
You can chant, focus on this part, the neck thing, the hole here, okay?
Yeah. The Vishuddhi chakra or
Vishuddhi chakra, throat chakra.
Vishuddhi chakra,
or else you can also chant putting your hands here on your thymus, okay? And just chant that hum, but it has to be hum. It should not be hum. It's the which is important.
You see, I've been doing this, but I've been doing it the second way. So thanks for correcting me.
The problem is you are extending ma, which is ending, but you have to extend her, which is the problem. So just that communication thing. That is the rigidity.
Varsha. Perfect. So should I do it any number of times, or just as many times as I?
Best is to do it in Brahm Muhurt, or else during the Godhuli Bela. These are two.
No, I'll do it in Brahma Muhurta. That's when I wake up. So
perfect. 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever. Just let your throat tell you that it's done. I am done.
Thank you.
Normally it will happen in 9 minutes. Normally that will happen in 9 minutes. But
Perfect. Thank you for me. Trust me, you really helped me today. Thanks for this.
Thanks, Pritika. And, Varsha, last one we're taking on, Archana, I think, had actually asked right at the very beginning, and then we started taking questions only after certain pictures were posted, and I just got her name again. So getting her on, this is the last person we will be taking on. And Archana has been going through a bit of a traumatic phase emotionally and everything. Archana, you're unmuted. Go ahead and ask your question.
Thank you, Neelu. Thank you, Varsha ji. I lost my husband this April in the second wave. And since then, I've just been, totally, I'm left all alone in this world. I've got nobody, and I do not know how to carry on and what I should be doing. I really want your guidance on that.
Archana, what's your full name? Sorry.
Archana Chawla.
So you want me okay, I'm just trying to understand your question. Is it that you're looking for for remedies to do, which I think that you are already doing? What is it that you're doing?
I am just, going on the spiritual path. I attend to meditations, and these lotus classes I do attend to, because I'm looking for solace and what to do further in my life. What is my life path? How should I go about? I am totally at crossroads in my life. Do not know what to do. How to carry on, I don't know. My husband and we were just together, and now I am left all alone.
Archana Chawla, please.
Hanji, Archana Chawla. Archana Chawla.
Oh, okay. Do you worship sun god?
No, not really. But yes,
not really. I mean, you don't. Yeah. So in the morning, without eating any cereal or anaj, only after tea, don't take biscuits and all, but make it a routine that you offer water to sun god.
Okay.
You can take tea if you are in a habit of taking coffee. Normally, coffee is avoided. Okay. So just take a bath and offer water. The water has to be offered like you have to put your hands up your head, all stretched, and then this way, all.
Whether I can see the sun god or not, because from my balcony,
east side, just face east side and do that. And yet another thing that you can do is chant minimum 21 times or 108 times Gayatri mantra, because there is a blockage in in your midbrain, some blockage as in that midbrain, nothing physical, but it is more to do with your intuitive thing. So even if you're doing some spiritual work, it only helps you for a short term, but your pituitary gland and your pineal gland is blocked. So you need to boost that sensitivity and wisdom, Gayatri mantra and sun god.
When should I do the Gayatri mantra?
Anytime. Whether you, in the morning, if you're doing, it's okay. Otherwise, Godhali Bila also you can do. But offering water to sun god has to be done in the morning only. Facing the east side, even if you don't see sun. That by you should have, you are actually kind of, you're actually doing some sort of self-harm by not boosting that confidence. So whichever healing method you follow, just have that one intention that that I have to, this is only to boost my confidence, nothing more than that. Yet another thing that I can tell you, if at all, after these two things, if you want to do it, put your this finger, right hand's ring finger on your navel. Navel is your second brain. These are very simple meditations. Anybody can do it. And with your closed eyes, back straight, put this finger, ring finger of right hand on your navel, and just breathe. No alteration. The only thing is, when you breathe, the best breathing is when you breathe, the stomach has to come out, inflate. When you breathe out, it has to go inside. That's it. 2 minutes of that, if you can do 2-3 times, 1 minute of that, if you can do 2-3 times, good enough, fair enough.
This is to be done every day?
It should be done till January for sure. Do it.
Okay, definitely I'll do that.
So that will help along with these two.
And I want to go ahead with this path of spiritualism. I want to raise my
These will actually help you to work. Then whichever path you will pick up, you will be able to decide and work towards that. As of now, it's actually blocked. So it just helps you because people's energy, group's energy is helping you out. But on a very serious note, your personal energy, which has to propel it further, is actually blocked. So work on these.
Gayatri Mantra 108 times.
21 times also you will do. I mean, just see to it what resonates with you.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, Neelam.